COVID-19 has taken a significant toll on everyone in Ontario, but our children have been impacted more than most. The pandemic has disrupted their lives. It's taken away their ability to go to school, to see friends, to connect with each other. Last week, I wrote to the public health, medical, and education experts asking for their opinion on the best path forward. And it's no secret that some of them said kids should be back in school on a regional basis for the last couple weeks of school. But here's what the experts couldn't say. They couldn't tell us that returning to in-class learning before more students and teachers are vaccinated won't lead to thousands and thousands of new cases. In fact, we've seen clearly in the modeling from Dr. Brown that returning kids and teachers back to school before they're vaccinated will lead to thousands of new cases. The experts couldn't tell us that it wouldn't risk spreading dangerous variants and avoid us from moving to other stages. It won't risk the health of our kids. Well, no one wants kids back in school more than I do. As your premier, these aren't risks I'm willing to take. So today, I have to announce that schools will not be returning for in-class learning until the fall. I know this is difficult, very difficult news. It was a hard choice to make, but I will not, and I repeat, I will not take unnecessary risks with our children right now. The fact is, we're fighting a third wave driven by variants. And unlike the original strains, we know that some of the variants we're fighting right now are more dangerous for children. It can make younger people very, very sick. And we also know that until we get more students and teachers vaccinated, outdoor activities are safest right now. And that's why our reopening plan starts with outdoor activities. So we will focus on getting kids outside, getting them to summer camps, day camps, sports, outdoor activities as soon as possible. Activities that we know are critical to the mental and physical well-being of our kids. Now, I understand this is going to be very difficult for many parents. You've done remarkable jobs in the hardest of circumstances. And we understand how hard this remains on everyone's physical and mental well-being. So we will continue to support both parents and children as we move forward to make sure everyone has the help they need. To all our kids in Ontario. Kids, I know this has been very, very hard on each and every one of you. I know it's been hard adjusting. You miss your friends, you miss school, you miss your sports and activities. And you're sick and tired of all this. I get it. I can't imagine what it's been like for you. I don't think that adults, we can really fully appreciate what it's been like for our kids. I assure you, it's not lost on me. And that's why I want schools to host in-person outdoor graduation events and other opportunities for you to meet with your friends and reconnect outside before the end of the year. We'll be working with school boards and health officials to make sure we can have outdoor graduation ceremonies for all students in all grades this summer. Rather than just grade 8 and 12, it should be for all students, because we know that we need to do as much as possible to get people outdoors, to enjoy the summer, enjoy the nice weather. And we can do this safely by sticking to our reopening plan.